Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use Cloud AI. So this is basically a ChatGPT competitor. So I'll compare you the two briefly. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So it's created by Anthropic basically, and it has a couple of features that the free version of ChatGPT does not have. So for example, you can be able to go ahead and input a document, for example your PDF files or any files, and it will get summarized for you. So for example, let's try and uploading a document. So let's go over to downloads here, and let's go over to documents right here. So there. So let's open this. So there, as you can see. So as you can see, it should go ahead and it you can receive messages like this because it is on a free version. So as you can see, you just have to refresh it and it will be successfully made for you. So as you can see, while waiting for this, we can't do this on the 3.5 version. You can only do this if you are subscribed to GPT-4, like that, for here. So there guys, while waiting, you can also do this. And there. As you can see guys, you can go ahead and copy it, and it basically made it for us. So there are a couple of things this can do. So you can also go over to Control K. Let's create a new chat. For example, help me practice my Spanish vocabulary. So it can also do it for you. So you can just go ahead and refresh this if you are receiving messages like that. So as you can see, it will teach you that. You just have to go ahead and cooperate with this Cloud AI. So for this one, you can go ahead and input also a Python code. So for example, make me a Python code that is any random game. So you can also do this with ChatGPT, but Cloud AI might be able to produce results here. And once this Cloud AI is fully developed, it can potentially beat ChatGPT when it comes to features. So as you can see guys, it is also uh, doable in code, and pretty much anything ChatGPT can do, you can also do it here. So excluding ones featured on the ChatGPT 4, wherein you can go ahead and uh, input or make images here. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is how you can use this Cloud AI for free. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.